Hello everyone and welcome back to the Yamaha Y225. Today we're going to be stripping down the engine and putting it back together. Now I've already stripped it down once, so I've actually replaced all the gaskets, stripped it down. I did film it but it didn't come out particularly well, and to be honest I want to do it again anyway. The reason being, I put it back together and I decided afterwards that actually I'd rather give the piston a good clean. So I'm going to take it down, get the piston out, give that a clean, and then we'll put it all back together. First thing we need to do, take the valve cover off, and that's just these 2, 4, 5 bolts. The washer was new last time I did it, so we'll keep that. It's good to use again because it is brand new. Okay, these are brand new gaskets on here, so I want to be careful not to damage those. Magnetized on from the stator. Yeah, this is the old gasket, so I didn't actually take this cover off last time. So we should have a replacement gasket in the gasket set that we bought last time, so it looks like we didn't actually take off the stator cover last time we took this apart. Okay, so we give this a good clean up. Oh. That is not ideal. Oh. dropped it. We dropped it. This is not going well.
Make you change.
Okay, so that was quite an interesting little escapade I had there. Got it all stripped down, started to have a look. I was going to give the piston a clean, but unfortunately I dropped a washer down here. So off, can't see it, just off here, a little washer that fits in the front of there. Decided it would be a good idea to fall inside the engine block. So I've just spent the last hour and a half flushing it out with water because I couldn't get it with a magnet or any other way. So I flushed it out with the hose pipe, and I've just spent probably about half an hour drying it. So it's bone dry inside. I'm going to probably leave a humidifier on overnight as well, just to make sure it's completely bone dry. And then what we'll do, we'll run some oil, put some oil in, slightly overfill it. We'll run it to temperature for a little bit, dump the oil, put some fresh oil in, and then we should be good inside. So at least it's had a nice clean, but that's not the job I was expecting to do today. Okay, so now the flywheel's attached, then we can actually start putting it all back together properly, and make sure the timing's right, and then hopefully we can get it back on the bike. At least it's had a clean. Positive thoughts. there we go, one engine completely rebuilt, ready to go back in the bike.